I look so weird. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm kind of doing a very exciting and very nerve-wracking kind of video. I actually bought all my makeup from the 99-cent store. This is my cat Jinx, by the way. You need to go over here. So I tried to find, get out of here. Oh, Jinx. So I tried to find a full face at the 99-cent store. However, I couldn't find everything, so I'm gonna kind of work with what we got. So let's dig in real quick. The foundation that I got is a powder foundation. I couldn't find a liquid one, but it's in the color ivory. They only had two colors. It's either ivory or brown. So I couldn't find anything else. I found a eyeshadow palette. Some of my favorite colors, but let's see how the color pigment comes out to be. I found eyebrow gel, caramel, tomato, I don't know what the hell to call it. Eyelashes, I kind of went a little extreme, but I'm actually kind of excited to see how these turn out to be. I got a highlighter. I got a bronzer. I got some brushes. So let me just talk about this one real quick. This is supposed to be a contour brush, but look how tiny this brush is. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, but we'll give it a try. Found some lip paint. I don't know if it's a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss, but it looks like a liquid lipstick to me. Double-eyed eyeliner. I think I could put it either as a cat eye or an eyeliner or just like as a color to blend out. And last but not least, I got some mascara. So let's see how these products work out. I couldn't find a primer, so I'm just gonna use my own primer real quick. I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals Prime Time. Hopefully all this makeup goes on nicely, but we'll see how it goes. For 99 cents, you can't really expect too much. I was actually shocked at how much stuff you could find there at the 99-cent store, but they don't have much of a variety, but you can't really expect too much. This primer is a little silicone-y and it's a little oily for me, but we're gonna go with it. So on top of the brushes that I bought, I couldn't find anything more, so I'm gonna use my own brushes if I need them. I did bring napkins just in case my face reacts to some of this. I just hope I don't get breakouts from all this makeup. Okay, so I think first things first, let's start with some powder foundation. I couldn't find a liquid one, so I'm just gonna use the one that I got. Hopefully it's my skin tone, but let's see how it goes. As Liza would say, $1? I'm kind of nervous with this because it looks really yellow. It's like a banana tone, but whatever. So I don't have a brush to put this all over my face, so I'm just gonna use mine. Okay, let's give this a whirl. Oh, I'm gonna swatch it first. I'm not getting any color payoff. It's all sticking to my finger. I wonder if it's from the primer, but I'm gonna wipe it off real quick. Oh shoot, I forgot my mirror. I'll be right back. So, let's hope for the best. See if I can get out of this foundation. It smells like baby powder. I wonder if it actually is with just a hint of color. Well, I'm not getting any coverage. So, we're gonna keep going. And they didn't have any concealer either, so I guess I have just to work with this. I look paler than I did before. Oh geez. Let's try this again. Look. All the powder came on my brush, but it's not going on my face. I've actually watched other girls do a 99-cent store makeup as well, and They all kind of said the same thing with this, so I hoped I was gonna be a little different. But I'm gonna go with my same routine and move on with life. Okay, so no coverage whatsoever. Move on. I'm just gonna start bronzing and see what happens. So I got in the color Cocoa. This is from Smokes and Mirrors. It's a pretty large pan, but I don't know how dark this would look. Give it a try. I'm actually gonna be using the contour brush for this. Jinx, get out of here. Crazy cat. I mean, come on. Look how small this brush is for contour. This is barely gonna cover my cheeks. Okay, I give up on this brush. I'm gonna swap to mine. I'm gonna use my MAC. Again, it smells like baby powder. Oh. I'm getting no coverage. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go back to this brush, the one that I got. I'm gonna contour my nose with it. Let's try this again. Where the hell's the color on this? This kind of looks like I just pounded on bronzer with nothing. Oh jeez. But for 99 cents, I really can't complain. I'm sorry for being negative about it. Seems like my cat's enjoying my 99-cent makeup. He's just sitting on it. Jinx, go away. Go. Go, go, go. Come on, buddy. Thank you. Go sit somewhere else. Okay, so bronzer is done. I couldn't find a blush either, so I'm just probably gonna move on to the highlighter and see what happens. Not my typical highlighter I would go for, because I like a little bit more lighter colors in it, so let's see how this looks. Oh, I actually found a fan brush to use this for the highlighter, so let's give it a whirl. I don't even know how to open this. Right? Aha! We got a brush! Oh! It's nice! Okay. It's very, like, iridescent. So it's not that bad. I'm actually pretty impressed. It glows. Okay, okay. Things are looking up and up now. You know what? I'm gonna try with a different brush to see how it works with my Morphe. Ooh, it kind of reminds me of like the Wet n Wild highlighters. It's very shiny. Okay, I look really shiny now, but let's move on. All right, next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. The only colors that I found for the brow gel was either black, brown, or like super blonde colors. So I just went with the caramel, tomato, whatever, something. Okay, this is from Smokes and Mirrors brow gel. Oh crap! It's just a brow gel. I should have known. I'm not getting anything. I'm like only use from the tip, but I'm not gonna use the tip for my eyebrows. I guess I have to use the tips for this for my eyebrows. This is all they had at the store. There was no like brow liner. Actually, I'm gonna use this, the brown side, to see if I could actually line my brows, and then I'll put the gel on top of it. Oh, they look so brown. Oh no! Okay, so now I'm gonna use the brow gel. It's clumping the pencil that I put on before. Well, brows are done. Right, move it on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this purple palette right here. Again, from Smoke and Mirrors. It comes with this little makeup applier, I guess you could call it. This I used when I was a kid, so I don't know if I'm gonna be using this for today. I'm just gonna go to my brushes instead. So moving on, I'm gonna try to use all the colors that I have in here just to see how the color payoff looks like on the eye. I think I'm gonna start with this right here, the transition. I'm not gonna use this because this I used to use as a little kid, so not anymore. I have better brushes now. All right, I'm gonna use my Morphe brush for this. So basically I just have a contoured face and a highlight with no foundation. All right, moving on. I'm gonna go with this color right here. That's my next transition color. All right, moving on. I think, okay, so I'm gonna use this color and this color. Mix those two colors together and see what happens. As for the outside of my eye. All right, I'm just gonna give up on that. I'm gonna move on. Next, I'm gonna do this color for the rest of my lid. Last color I'm gonna use for the inner corners is this one right here. Ooh, I like this color. I feel like it looks super sparkly now, but whatever. Okay, so that kind of completes the shadows right now. Moving on to mascara. This one right here. Smoke and Mirrors Mega Volume Mascara. What the hell am I supposed to do with this? It's just pulling my lashes. It's not doing anything. Okay. I'm gonna close my eyes real quick. Look what it's doing. I don't need to say more. Ow. Okay. Piece of advice, don't get on your skin. It's actually irritating my skin right now. And it wipes right off, which is a benefit. So just get on the hair, don't get on the skin. Because I don't know what's inside this formula, but it's like irritating my skin right now. Okay, well I'm gonna say this mascara is an epic fail. I'm gonna throw this away now. Alright, last thing on the eyes, I'm gonna move on to the lashes. And the only ones that I could find were these thick ones right here. I'm not gonna use the glue that I came with because it smells like gasoline, so I'm gonna use my own. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this mascara, but it keeps like falling under my lid. So we got lashes. I'm not gonna comment, it is what it is. Moving on to the lips. It's like a burgundy, I think it's like a liquid lipstick, it's supposed to be. So it says an intense lip paint. This is actually from Maybelline. Cool, Maybelline, New York. Let's give it a whirl. So I guess that kind of fits the look. What do you guys think? All right, so let me just go over the products real quick. The foundation was horrible. I'm not gonna use that. The bronzer was okay. I probably will try it again to see how it looks like with an actual like liquid foundation with my normal routine, just to test it out again, just to give it a second chance. The highlighter I liked, I will say that. Again, if I probably would use it with a foundation and concealer and powders, I would probably be able to get a little more pigmentation out of it and get a more of like an iridescent look. The best product that went on my skin so far is my eyebrows, but just the sensation of it is kind of just sticking to my skin, so I'm not really feeling too comfortable with it. The eyelashes I already hate. I can't even see right now. Like I barely could see like just my camera, and that's all I could see right now. The payoff for the eyeshadows were actually pretty good. The matte the matte colors weren't so great, but the shimmers were actually pretty good. I do like the copper color, as you can see, like in my inner corners and the bottom lash line. The mascara was, I'm just gonna throw that in your trash. I'm not even gonna, that one sucked. The lipstick, the Maybelline one, I know it's like a lip tint or a lip paint, but for it being an oily base, it actually does move around a lot, and I feel like it's bleeding to the rest of my lips right here. As you can see, I have to. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I actually had a lot of fun with this video. If you guys want me to try different challenges, please put in the comments section of what other challenges are out there for me to look at. I'm usually on social media constantly looking for different challenges to do or different looks to do with my own different kind of style. I like to have my own different look into every kind of video that I put into, but obviously each person to their own. If you guys like what I do, please don't be afraid to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And share this with your family and friends. Just have a good laugh about it. If you guys want to try the same challenge, post it in my comments. Let me see what you guys did too, and tell me what you guys like about the 99-cent store. There might be different products out there in different states in the 99-cent stores that I'm not aware about, that wasn't available at the time when I purchased. With that being said, bye guys. Oh, come on, James. Hey buddy, why are you so scared? Why are you scared? Hi. Don't be scared. It's okay. Grumpy cat. Grumpy kitty. You look like a grumpy cat.